Hello, if you're wondering if Canva is free for commercial use, then the answer is no. In order to use Canva for commercial purposes, you need to get a license. And there are some things that you can do if you don't buy the license. However, if you plan on selling things by using Canva, then you are most likely in need to get a license by Canva. And in order to know a little bit more about the terms of use, pretty much, of what is a commercial purpose, what Canva treats something as a commercial use, then you can use this website over here, this page on Canva, content licenses and using Canva for commercial purposes, as well as you can refer to the Canva's content license agreement. And then over here you can read a little bit more about what you can do for free and without having to buy the license and whatnot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.